I will leave now and close the door.
Thank you.
Have fun with it.
Thanks. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and if you're new here, I am learning to sew, and it's going on the internet so everyone can laugh. But today we're gonna do a fabric haul. I know. I just did a fabric haul not too long ago. Then I bought all those clearance patterns from Simplicity, which meant, girl math, I have to buy more fabric. So I did do one thing that I'm very, very excited about. I bought fabric from the two fabric stores that are close to me, you know, big chains, Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and I'm going to show you those. But then I did something crazy and I ordered fabric from a dead stock site called Sew by Sew. And you can order surprise bags. And so I did that to kind of push myself into different kinds of fabrics. I've really, because I'm a new sewist, I've only been really working with cotton because it's safe. But we're trying to be more adventurous in this channel and kind of expand our fabrics. So I did buy more cotton fabric, but I branched out in the dead stock fabric. So I have no clue what I'm getting. So I'm a little nervous if I can even use what I bought. But we're going to see. But first things first, these are the fabrics that I bought from Michael's. So I got this fabric here. I might make that into a dress or top. Then I got this fun mint color fabric as well, which I think I bought this to make a dress for one of the patterns that I got for simplicity. And then I got a bunch of cotton fabric thinking that it could be, you know, dress or a top or a dress and a top, and I could use it. That dress that I made, when I asked my teenage daughter what she thought of it, she said I looked matronly. And I'm not trying to look matronly. So I think perhaps that bed sheet was probably the wrong fabric to use for that dress. So we'll see. We'll see if we can make some teenager approved, uh, attire in the future. And then I got I did branch out at Hobby Lobby and I got this gauze fabric here also for a dress. I'm sorry, guys, we're going to be making a lot of dresses on this channel. So that'll be fun to kind of branch out and see how I do. It feels, like it won't be too hard to work with. So I think I'll probably do okay with that. But now let's get to the big show. I'm so excited to open this up with you all. So I did take the tape off, but I haven't peeked inside to see what's in here. So let's see. Oh, it says, I will use every scrap of fabric. And it says, you're so cool. I love that so much. It says some other things. but it's just saying that, buying dead stock fabric, helps keep this fabric out of landfills. And it comes with 10% off your next order. So that's nice. I'll be keeping that. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm already seeing something that I already love, but is very, very scary. But let me first tell you. So I ordered the 1 pound mystery fabric bundle long length. So these are 2+ yard pieces of fabric. I ordered 1 pound of mystery fabric bundle woven mixed fibers. And then I ordered 1 pound of just the mystery fabric bundle of cottage core. And while the first fabric bundle, the long lengths, was also cottage core, I tried to stick with a mystery box that would have patterns or fabrics rather that I would like. I was a little bit nervous because I think the options on there, it was like cottage core and there was like a retro one. So if you're into like retro, like funky patterns, definitely give Sew by Sew, a chance. I think it is a she. She does have fabrics up on her site that you can look at the fabric ahead of time and pre-order however many yards of fabric you need. So if you don't want to be a crazy person like me and be surprised, as someone who can't sew, well, no, that's a lie. I can sew, just not well. But oh my gosh, okay. All right, so this is the very first fabric that's at the top. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. She is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Here's the other problem. She didn't separate it. So I don't know what's what. Is this a woven? I don't know. I mean, woven fabric bundle. I don't know. Can someone tell me what flowy fabric like this is? Because nothing is labeled in here. I thought that it would come separate so I would know what's what. But I don't know. But it's a soft, like, I don't even know what to call this. Like, do you see how it's like sheer and it's very like flimsy and falls really nice? Guys, I need your help. I need the sewing community's help. All right, then we've got this, which is, I'm actually really happy because the colors that I got are really nice. This is this is like lightweight. I feel like these would make like a really nice pant. Might make pants out of these. All right. And then we have this, also really pretty. And I like that it's like a neutral, which means that you could make a lot, it could go with a lot of things. This one, I don't know, it feels like it's, I don't know. I don't know what this is, but again, it's kind of like flimsy fabric. Y'all, I need help. I ordered fabric and I can't even tell what it is. Maybe I can look online and find some sort of tutorial to tell me what it is that I bought. Because to be honest, I have no idea what I bought. So I can't verify my purchase. She could have sent me anything and I wouldn't have known the difference. But oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like I got so lucky with this mystery box because I really got, it's kind of sheer, so it's definitely, this is not really showing up on camera, but it's definitely going to have to be lined. But man, is it so pretty. If you're going to order a mystery bag or box, I keep saying bag, from the site, I would definitely go with the cottagecore theme because when I looked up online, I was like, okay, what is cottagecore? Because I think there was another it was cottagecore and like something else that was kind of I felt like similar and I can't remember what it was. But I when I looked them both up, I felt like cottagecore would be more my vibe. It was kind of like that like cottagecore versus like that preppy sort of vibe. So then the very last thing that was sent to me is this. And I'm like, this feels like it could be a really nice plaid shirt. Or a really cute, like, lounge around the house dress. This definitely has to be part of the. I feel like this one and this one is part of the like long links. No, maybe this guy bundle because there's a ton of it. You know, the other two that I got, there's not as much fabric to work with. So maybe these are the other two. I don't know, guys. Help a girl out. Help me to figure out what is what. We've got like, wavy fabric. We got this fabric. It feels like cotton, but I didn't order any cotton from her. So, I mean, this has to be woven, maybe? I don't know. But this was a lot of fun. And now I have fabric to try to sew with. And I don't remember my order being crazy expensive. I think the surprise bundles, the bundles that like they were no more than like $14, something like that. And then I got like three of those. So whatever the math works out to in terms of that. But I think it's a very reasonable price for the fabric that I got and the weight. I think the fabric that I got. I don't know. You'll have to tell me if it was a good deal or not. But I think I got really really lucky with my box. I can see myself wearing all of these, except for maybe this guy. But I can make like a really cute nightgown and just wear it, to sleep. I mean, I don't really wear nightgowns, but I can make a PJ set. Okay, because this is like really comfortable. Like it feels so soft. And I could totally like look. I think it's my color. I could see myself totally making a PJ set with this. With like cute pair of shorts for summer. Oh, guys, we got some inspiration. All right. Well, I'll definitely be ordering from them again. And I'm definitely someone who is um, as environmentally conscious as I can be. I know sometimes it can be hard. But I'm just trying to do the best that I can. However, I can. If I can, recycle things, I will. If I can purchase dead stock fabric so I can keep them from the landfill, I'll do that as well. I like supporting small businesses, so I would encourage you to, definitely check them out. And like I said, you don't have to order the mystery bundle and be crazy like me. You can. It came not crazy fast. So if you're like you just have to be a little patient. But I think waiting for this box was well worth the wait. And like I said, I got so very lucky with what she sent that I will definitely be ordering a surprise bundle again. Maybe I'll get really crazy and start ordering fabrics that I have no business sewing with for your entertainment, of course. Ah, all right. Well, thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you next week.